Hi guys, Cake Doc here. Today we're gonna make a video on how to make a savory type of cake. So we're gonna go away a little bit from what I usually do, which is a sweet type of cake. So we're gonna make some spam musubi, which in a way does require some assembly like I would with my normal cake. So let's get started. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make spam musubi, and I'm gonna have my daughter help out, and this is a great activity to do at home while we're stuck in quarantine, and it's good to get the kids off of their electronics. So the ingredients are as shown. So we need some seaweed, some nori. Okay, we need some sushi rice that I made beforehand in my rice cooker. It's Japanese rice with a little bit of rice vinegar, sugar, and salt that you mix into it. It's kind of cooled down now. You also need unagi eel sauce for the flavor. We fried up some spam beforehand. And then we're gonna kind of put a twist on the traditional spam musubi, and we're going to actually add some scrambled eggs for some extra nutrition and protein. That's probably healthier. So we're gonna get started. We're gonna need a sheet of the nori. Okay, so very important. Okay, so nori has two sides. There is a shiny side and a matte side, okay? So you actually want to put the shiny side down and the matte side up, meaning the shiny side is actually going to be the outside, okay? So next step is you're going to put your spam musubi mold down, okay? And then we are going to be, we can go ahead and put, let's put spam on first, and you can help. We'll put we'll just put two pieces of spam, which perfectly makes one roll, okay? So I'm gonna put a little bit of unagi sauce, and this sauce is what makes it taste good. So we're just gonna brush it on. I like to put a lot because otherwise it doesn't have much taste. Okay, so next we're gonna put scrambled eggs. So let me just take this off real quick. I'm going to we're gonna cut it, we're gonna approximate. So let's get a knife, and this part you should have mom and dad do at home. There we go, this way. Do our best. It's hard to get it the exact same shape, so go ahead and lay it on. See? Is that too? Sorry, I'll put this on first. That's pretty good, right? Okay. Now, then the last step is we're gonna put some of this sushi rice into here. Scoop some rice into here. Kind of spread it out as evenly as possible. Okay. And then this is a very important part. To prevent the rice from sticking to everything, I have a little bowl of water. I'm gonna wet it. And I'm gonna wet this with water. And then this part, Sunny, if you want, go ahead and smush it down really hard. Top, okay, and lift it up. I'm going to take that off carefully. Okay. Actually, no. Let's use this way. Keep it on, I'm sorry. And go ahead and pull it up. Okay, pull this off, and then we'll take it off. Okay, and that's that. There you have it. Looks pretty good. So now we're just gonna roll it, okay? So just gonna roll this very carefully. Like that. And it's just, you can see there's this part. How do you secure the nori? You just take some water. You actually just put it on the seaweed. And it just kind of acts like glue. And there you go. So now we are going to cut it into small bite-sized pieces. Spam musubi with a little bit of scrambled eggs in there for added nutrition. Looks like it. That's our final product. Alright, thank you and hope you enjoyed this video. And that's it. Alright, we'll see you next time. Bye.